Hi everyone! This is a review of the new issue of Coloring Haven, and this one is dedicated to the Native American mythology, and the artist of this issue is American painter Jody Bergsma. I've seen beautiful paintings by Jody before, but I've never dreamed that it will be possible to get the whole coloring book based on her paintings. If you love beautiful and powerful animals, if you love landscapes, if you are interested in the life, tradition, and culture of Native American tribes, you definitely will enjoy pictures and other artworks by Jody Bergsma. And she also has a selection of very beautiful fantasy artworks. But here we have all pictures dedicated to the animals and life of Native Americans. Pictures are quite detailed, and I love that each picture has a border. Maybe it looks like more finished, more accurate, and I definitely prefer it this way. The only thing I would like to change in this book is that pictures sometimes have too many black lines here. Yes, I understand that it helps us to understand where to put highlights, where to put shadows, but basically all paintings by Jody were made using watercolors. And if you want to recreate our pictures closely like paintings of Jody looks, it will be quite difficult with these black lines. And I don't think that it will be very helpful even for beginners. But all other elements of the pictures I absolutely love. I love how Jody paints faces. Of course, I love how he paints animals, birds, and all those dream catchers and other totem figures. I think that I absolutely in love with this issue. Another great success by Coloring Haven. And this problem with black lines I resolved with using mixed media for the background, so it didn't bother me when I did my first page from this magazine. I also love the color combos with which Jody used in her original paintings, and I definitely will try to recreate it to repeat for some of the pictures in this coloring book. If you love to color animals, or if you just want to practice your coloring skills, this is definitely an issue for you. You could practice fur and feathers of different colors, and when you finish this book, you definitely will be a pro in coloring animals. This is a page which I selected as my start in this beautiful book. I used here different mediums, and if you're interested how I achieved this and how my page look in the end, I invite you to watch separate video. I think that I will post them in the same time, and meanwhile you can see that the back side of the page don't have any bleeding through. I just have to iron it. It even seems to me that paper in this issue is a little bit thicker than in previous ones. And here in the end we have some new discounts for the subscription, so if you're in regions which are eligible for subscription, you can go to the website and check these new discounts, but you also can purchase this issue separately. I think that they deliver worldwide, so I will leave you a link in the info box below. And I'm quite happy for this new coloring book in my collection. Thank you for watching this review, and I hope that you will also watch how I did my first page, which is Eternal Spirit. Bye! Happy coloring!